By the end of this video, you will know how to use the gallery view in Airtable. Start by opening the Airtable base that contains the records you want to work with. Once the base is open, go to the table where those records are stored. This is the starting point for creating a new view, since views are tied to the table you are currently looking at. Take a moment to make sure you are in the correct table before moving on, especially if your base includes several tables with similar names. Next, look to the left sidebar where your existing views are listed. In that area, click Create New. This opens the options for adding another way to look at the same records without changing the underlying data. You are not creating a new table here. You are creating a new view of the records that already exist in the table. When the view options appear, choose Gallery as the view type. Airtable will then prompt you to enter a name for the new view. Type the name you want to use, keeping it clear enough that you can recognize it later among your other views. After naming the view, click Create. Airtable will switch you into the new gallery view so you can begin adjusting how the records appear. With the gallery view open, move into the customization settings for the view. One of the main choices here is the field used as the card cover. Select the field you want Airtable to display as the visual cover for each record card. If your table includes image attachments, that field is often used for the cover. But the key step here is to choose the field that best fits how you want the cards to look. After that, choose which field should appear on each card. These fields become the visible details shown beneath or alongside the card cover in the gallery layout. Select the fields that matter most for quickly scanning your records. This part shapes how much information is visible at a glance, so it is worth confirming that the displayed fields match the way you plan to use the view. Once those settings are in place, you can start using the gallery view. Your records now appear as individual cards rather than rows in a grid. Browse through the cards to review your records in this visual layout. This view is useful when you want to focus on covers and selected details instead of the full spreadsheet-style table. If you want to open a specific record, click directly on its card. Airtable will open that record so you can view the full details or make edits. Any changes you make there still apply to the same underlying record in the table, since the gallery is only another view of the same data. Your Airtable table now has a gallery view that displays your records as customizable cards